So, children, as I told you, we have started with the transport and communication. So, you can see these two parallel lines which will be marked in your survey sheet known as metalled road. Two parallel lines which are broken, these are known as unmetalled road. Now, what is the difference between two? The difference between the two is that this is made of concrete, cement, or tar, or any other material which is used these days, and it is very strong to so that heavy vehicles can move on it. This is unmetal, that means it is not properly made, and it can take the weight of heavy vehicles, but then it is like a kacha road, not a permanent road. So this is metalled, unmetalled for vehicles. Then we come to the cart track, the areas where they are economically not very sound, or they are poor people, their cart tracks are formed where the animals are used as a means of transport, like bullock carts, then horses, mules. These are used to take the material from one place to the other. Then there are pack tracks where pack animals, again like the donkeys, the smaller animals, can move, and they can move on the pack track along the mountains also. Then there are red small dots which are made over here, and this indicates that it is a footpath. So wherever the land, you will find this kind of footpath in between the agricultural land, or in the mountains also, like I will show you in the survey sheet where footpath is present. Other than that, means of transport are the railways. Now, railway station is found, RS is railway station, which is not very commonly found in the survey sheet. Only one or two places. There is one place, Chitrasani, which has a railway station, and this kind of a symbol is made for the railway station. Okay, so all these modes of transport, they show the economic status of a place. If it is connected by the metal road, that means it is an advanced place. If it is connected by footpath and pack track, then it is not a very advanced place and not a place for trade. Okay, children, I hope the symbols are clear to you. Now let's see what is there in the how it shows in the survey sheet. In your survey sheet, the first one, the metal road. This is the metal road. Here it looks like one line, but actually it is a double line parallel to each other and joining places from south towards the north. So all these places which lie in between, like the Santavada, then this is Vahan, then this is Gulabganj, then this is Anadra. So all these settlements will be considered as important settlements because a metal road is crossing them, and heavy vehicles like trucks, jeep, then other modern means of transport can move easily on them because they are strong concrete and they can take the weight of the heavy vehicles, and therefore transportation of any kind of means can be transferred from one place to the other. Next type I told you was the unmetalled road. Unmetalled road are also like this, but then they are broken. In this survey sheet there are very few, and this one it doesn't have any, but then when these two parallel lines are broken but running parallel to each other, they are unmetalled. Now metal means concrete road, very strongly built, and unmetalled is a kacha road, you can say in Hindi. Then there also a number of heavy vehicles can move, but then it is not in a very good state. The other kind of transport is the cart track. The cart track also joins one area to the other, and hence it means that these places are connected with each other. These are the cart tracks. So, and the mode of transport or the means of transport is that the animals or the cart tracks, the carts, the bullock carts, these can easily move on these kind of road. Then there is one, this one here. This is the pack track where only pack animals can move. Now, when you come further towards the mountains, you will find that the pack track ends and it takes the shape of small dots colored in red. These. This means that it is a footpath because the land here becomes undulating, very rugged topography. Therefore, it is difficult to construct any roadways or railways. Therefore, a footpath is made for people to commute. So, how many we have discussed from this survey sheet? Just the metal road, cart track, pack track, and the footpath. Unmetal road is not there, but I'll show you if I find it in one of the survey sheets.